Hi friends, welcome to my channel and subscribe my channel for more videos, and I hope these videos will be helpful for the children's. And addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions are the most important basic concept of mathematics. So among that, addition and subtraction of different sign and numbers, students usually they will get confused about this calculation. So to clarify that one, I am going to explain how to add and how to subtract the different sign numbers. First of all, I am going to take one example, two numbers 3 and 2. Now both are having same sign, and if you add these two, you will be getting the answer that is 5. Suppose if I change any one sign of a number, for example that is -2. If I consider these two examples, this is a +3. If I write or not write the sign, that is plus only. So when you add these two, what will happen? It's a question. So while I'm going to add the different sign like negative sign with any positive sign, I have to apply the bracket sign here because it will be useful for calculation. How? See, before going to calculate, means add the different sign, we should know the concept of multiplying sign of different sign. If you multiply positive and negative numbers, you will be get the answer that is negative. The product will be negative because both are having the different sign. That's why answer will be negative. If you add, if you multiply negative and positive, same answer will be minus. And if you add or if you multiply plus and plus, both are same sign, that's why the product will be plus. And if you multiply minus and minus, both are having same sign, that's why the answer will be plus. See, when you multiply different sign numbers, the product will be having the negative sign, and when you multiply the same sign like plus and plus, minus and minus, product will be having the positive sign. This is the concept of multiplying different sign numbers. So we have to apply here also. See, when you apply the bracket, that indicate multiplication between the sign which is inside the bracket and which is out of the bracket, multiplication. As usually I have explained that one, plus into minus, that is minus. So plus into minus, that is a minus sign. So -2, and this is 3, that is a +3. Now we got these two, +3 and -2, both are having different sign. That's why you have to subtract the number 3 minus 2, that is 1, and you have to insert the sign of a larger number sign. Larger number is 3, its sign is plus, that's why +1. Again I will explain. When you add different sign numbers, for the next number you have to apply the bracket because you have to multiply the sign. So plus into minus, that is a minus. That's why after that we will get different sign numbers, +3 and -2, both are different. That's why you have to subtract the numbers and you have to apply the larger number sign. Among this, which is larger? 3, so its sign is plus, that's why you have to apply the sign. Suppose if I consider one more example, -3 and +2. -3 and +2. See here, same concept, -3 plus, another one is plus, and you know the sign of 2. If I write or not write, that is plus only. That's why plus into plus, that is plus, +2. Plus into plus, that is a plus. That's why I write 2 here. This is -3. Now these two numbers having different sign. different sign. That's why you have to subtract those numbers. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, answer will be 1. When you have the two numbers having different sign, you have to subtract those numbers and you have to insert the sign of larger number. Among 3 and 2, 3 is a larger number. Its sign is minus. That's why you have to apply the negative sign here. And I hope you understood the difference of both two. When the larger number having negative sign, the answer will be having negative sign. And if I consider one more example, this one I hope you understood. Now another example I will consider. Suppose if I consider minus 3 and minus 2. If I consider minus 3 and minus 2, here it will be minus. So, when you add minus 3 and minus 2, plus into minus. Okay, plus into minus, that is minus 2. Here this is 3, its symbol is a minus. Now minus 3 and minus 2, both are having same sign. When you have such numbers, minus and minus, both are having same sign, that means you have to add those two numbers, that is 5. You have to add those two numbers, that is 5, and among this, which is larger number 3, its sign is negative, no? That's why you have to apply negative sign. That is a minus 5. Okay, this is a simple method of adding different sign numbers. So, when you apply positive sign among those two, you have to multiply the sign. Okay, minus into plus, that is minus, based on this concept. Plus into plus, that is plus, based on the concept of multiplying sign. Okay, see, if you understood this one, easily you can calculate the numbers. Usually you can add the numbers, different sign numbers. Now, let's consider the subtraction method. How we can subtract the numbers, different sign numbers. Now, again I will consider the same two numbers here. If I consider minus 3 and minus 2 in subtraction, minus 2. Now I am not going to add the numbers, I am going to subtract the two numbers. While I am subtracting, you know that you have to apply bracket to the second number. So, minus into minus, minus into minus, that is plus. When you multiply, same sign, you will be getting plus. Minus into minus, plus 2. And this one is a minus 3. Now, after multiplying sign, you will be getting like this different sign numbers, minus 3 and plus 2. When the signs are different, you have to subtract those two numbers. So, 3 minus 2, number is 1, and among this, which is larger, 3 is a larger number. Larger number sign is minus, that's why you have to apply minus sign. Answer is minus 1. Okay. Subtraction, when you apply this one, minus minus become plus, and when you get a different sign, you have to subtract a number and you have to apply the larger number sign. Again, here, minus 3 and plus 2. Minus 3, subtraction, minus inside the bracket 2. 2 means that is plus 2. 2 means that is plus 2. Now, both are having different sign. Minus and inside the bracket plus. So, minus into plus, that is minus minus 2. Here this as usual you write minus 3. Now, after calculating sign, what you will be getting, if you get same sign, you have to add those two numbers. 3 plus 2, that is 5. You have to add those two numbers Larger number is 3. Its sign is minus. That's why minus 5. Larger number is minus, having minus sign. That's why you have to apply that sign minus 5. Okay. Now, same sign. When you get the same sign, numbers, while in subtraction, it will changes its sign like this, and you have to subtract. But when you have like this different sign, the different sign will be give you minus. So this minus and minus become, you have to add, those are same the sign, that's why you have to add those number. So answer is a 5, it's a sign, larger number sign, minus. And one more example. Minus 3, minus 2 over, minus 3, plus 2 over. Next one is, I'm going to consider plus 3 and minus 2. Plus 3 and minus 2. In subtraction, 3 minus minus 2. That is easy. Minus into minus. Minus into minus, same sign. That's why plus, plus 2. And this is 3. 3 means that is plus 3. So plus 3 plus 2 both are having same sign. That's why you have to add those numbers. Answer will be 5. That is plus 5. So when you subtract 3 and minus 2, you will be getting answer that is plus 5. Yes. This is a simple method of adding and subtracting different sign numbers. If you know how to multiply the sign, different sign, then it will be easy to calculate. And friends, I hope you understood today's this class, and if you like this one, share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.